Introductory workshop on Iraq's national strategy to prevent hate speech. Members of the diplomatic and international community, fellow UN colleagues, media, academic, and distinguished guests, good morning to all. All protocols observed. As a representative of UN in Iraq, I stand before you, inspired by the resilience and unwavering spirit of the Iraqi people. Today, we unite to further Iraq's journey toward peace and stability with this important workshop on the national strategy to prevent hate speech. Iraq's recent history, marked by recovery from war, terrorism, and conflict, demonstrates the enduring courage and resilience of its people. The United Nations, supported by the government of Iraq, has been an integral partner in this recovery. Our collective efforts are founded on the belief that resilience happens through unity and a shared vision for a peaceful future. Hate speech, a global scourge, erodes the foundations of social cohesion and democracy. It breeds violence and division. The UN's programming in Iraq has long stressed the need to prevent hate speech consistently. In line with the UN strategy and plan of action on hate speech, we're committed to addressing this issue by fostering dialogue, education, and understanding, thereby transforming the narrative from division to peace, especially in areas recovering from conflict. Iraq's mix of cultures, faiths, and ethnicities exemplifies a strength born of diversity. The national strategy to prevent hate speech, supported by the UN's alignment with the National Counter and Prevention of Violent Extremism strategy, affirms the necessity of cherishing this diversity, ensuring inclusivity, and celebrating differences as a source of national pride. The UN strategy guides us to prioritize education, raise awareness about the risks of extremism, and spread a culture of human rights, tolerance, and acceptance of others. We work to activate the role of education, media, and cultural outreach to raise awareness of the concepts of citizenship and tolerance, and to prevent extremism. As we move forward, let us remember the lessons of the past and harness the strong Iraqi spirit to overcome present challenges. In unity, we will craft a future resonant with peace, where hate speech is removed and every individual's voice contributes to a harmonious coexistence. Thank you very much. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.